Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. So I wanted to take you into the garden this morning and show you how to simply propagate strawberry plants. So right here I've got a little strawberry plant. All you need is a 4-inch pot like this one and a fabric stake and then a little bit of potting mix. So let's go into the garden and I'll show you how to do it. I've got these little pots here. You can kind of see them scattered throughout the garden. So what I do is I'll take out this little stake that's in there. So we use these little fabric stakes. Oh, let me try to get that in focus for you guys. Okay, there we go. So we've got these little fabric stakes that we bought, and what I do is I just trim them so then they're like the same size as the pot. And then we've got potting mix in here. I make sure it's a little bit wet. You can water it after too though. So, okay, here I'll show you this. So the roots, they're gonna come out of this bottom part here. So we want to make sure that this is buried. Actually, you can see kind of some of the roots there. Focus on there, okay. There's a little bit of roots there. It might be hard to see, but we've got little roots on there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant them in here. And then we're gonna take our fabric stake, and this will just help. So like if it gets windy or anything, then it won't get blown out of the container and it'll have a better chance of rooting itself. And then I just kind of cover the bottom section a little bit. So the roots are definitely under there. And then like I said, I'll just water it in a little bit more to make sure it's nice and wet. And then there you go. In about 4 weeks, it will have rooted itself, and then it's a whole new strawberry plant that you can either give away to friends or put in another part of your garden. It's nice this way because then you can kind of control where the new strawberry plants are going instead of just sending a bunch of runners here and there. I don't like to crowd our strawberry patch because sometimes you end up with a lot of pests and bugs that will just feed on the lack of airflow through your strawberry patch. So I like to do it this way. It gives me more options. I really like to also plant mine in pots, like in the greenhouse. So I've got a bunch of pots along here that I've planted little strawberry runners. Those ones are from last year, so they're doing pretty good. Some of them are already starting to produce some fruit. Okay, well I hope you guys enjoyed today's little tutorial on propagating your strawberries, and let me know in the comment section below if you want more videos like this. I'd be happy to teach you how to propagate other types of plants, and stay tuned for a full strawberry guide coming soon. So I'm hoping to have that out next week and a little article to go with it so then you guys can grow the best strawberries possible. Okay, take care. Bye.